Hi, I'm Kylie. I've been with Panel Graphic for over 20 years. I'm one of the directors of the company and thought I'd come and do a short video today to talk to you about our Optiguard coatings on plastic mouldings. Our Optiguard coatings has a huge range of benefits for plastic mouldings. This can be anything from chemical resistance, abrasion resistance, improving the clarity of the moulding, and also aesthetic finishes. Our coating ranges vary between clear hard coat and non-glare hard coat. We offer anti-static coatings, anti-fog coatings, UV resistant coatings, and coatings for automotive products. So I've just had a look around the factory to see what mouldings I can find, and I've gathered a few up, so I'm just going to go through a few just to show you what these particular mouldings are used for and how our Optiguard coatings benefits them. So this first moulding here is for an audio unit. This particular part is a grey tinted moulding which has our Optiguard coating applied to it. It also has some small print detail on the display. This is printed first and then our Optiguard coating is applied over the top, encapsulating the print, which means that this print now it's on there for life. It's not going to flake, it's not going to scratch, you're not going to see any loss of print on that part. The Optiguard clear hard coat is then applied over the top. It gives it superior chemical and abrasion resistance, which will stop damage from general wear and tear and touching and usage of the part. The next part we're going to have a look at, this is actually for a visor. It's got our Optiguard clear hard coat applied to the outside, meaning that it has superior chemical and abrasion resistance. We have in the past applied anti-fog coatings to the inside, so whilst headgear is in use, it's not going to fog up from the operator's breathing inside of the helmet. We also have another small visor here, again with our Optiguard clear hard coat applied, giving superior chemical and abrasion resistance. Lots of different automotive parts, obviously inside a car, high touch areas. The mouldings generally are quite soft, so without our coatings applied, the plastics are going to scratch. A lot of cars nowadays, gloss black interior is very popular, so just applying our clear hard coat over the top stops any scratches and also protects from chemicals and even things like hand cream and sun lotion, which also have a negative effect on the plastic moulding. So we have another automotive part here. So each of these different buttons are sent into us for our Optiguard coating to be applied to. It's then sent off to the assembly company to assemble, and then they sent on to the automotive manufacturer for assembly and fitting into the vehicle. Same with these, all different buttons with our Optiguard hard coat applied. We also have another automotive part. You'll notice a theme here. There's quite a lot of automotive parts that we see through the company. This particular part is for a dashboard, and this part has our non-glare hard coat applied. Sometimes the gloss finish isn't what the customer is looking for, so we have a huge range of non-glare hard coats, which is also has superior chemical resistance and abrasion resistance. These can be tailored to whatever the customer is looking for and also to be tailored to help with the clarity of the display. This particular part is a part we've been coating for many years now. It has our Optiguard 10-year UV resistant hard coat applied. These parts are used in various different countries throughout the world. They're actually part of a shoplifting system. So these are placed either side of the shop doors, and they were experiencing cracking from the UV from the sunlight. So our Optiguard UV hard coat stops the damage from the UV and is extremely hard and hard wearing. So our coatings for mouldings can be anything from a flat shape to a domed moulding to headlights on vehicles. So that was just a really short overview on Optiguard coatings on plastic mouldings. If there's anything you'd like to speak to the sales team about, please contact us and we'll be more than happy to help.